Tomato pie. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delish. Get you 2 cups of cheese. I'm using mozzarella and sharp cheddar. Whew. I chopped up half of an onion. Get you 4 garden maters. You need 4. Some salt, pepper to taste, basil. We're going to chop it up. About 6-7 leaves. Oregano. All I do is take the leaves off like that. 3/4 of a cup of some mayonnaise. Get you 1/2 teaspoon of some garlic. Pie crust, it's still frozen. Get you a little bit of your cheese mixture. Put it down and spread. Get your tomatoes and start piling them around. Mozzarella and sharp cheddar. I'm just going to give it a good mix to mix it around. And I'm going to put it on the top. Preheat your oven to 350. We are going to bake until our pie crust is done and our cheese is good and melted and crispy. Chicken Alfredo garlic bread. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delicious chicken Alfredo garlic bread. Chicken breast. We're going to cut these suckers into chicken cutlets. Italian seasoning. Whatever season makes your heart a little happy, use it. Garlic powder. Some red pepper. Some onion powder. Garlic bread. And open it up. Or you can just get some regular French bread and make your own butter garlic sauce and rub on there. Get you some mozzarella cheese. Put however much you want on here. Get you a tiny bit of that olive oil and them seasonings that you fry that chicken in. Get you a pint of heavy cream. We're going to add 1 block of cream cheese. We are going to add the same seasonings we did to our chicken. Red pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic powder. Get you some shredded Parmesan cheese of any kind. And we're going to add some of that over into there. And it should thicken up. It should be thick. We're going to add it onto our French bread. Then get your chicken that you fried. We are going to cut it up. Get rest of your chicken Alfredo sauce and add some more on the top. We're going to put this in the oven on 350, 5 to 10 minutes. Breakfast pig in the blankets. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Delicious breakfast pig in the blankets. Looky there. Look how good. Get you a pan and get you some roll sausage. This is the kind I'm using. Maple. We are going to fry a row of cinnamon rolls. I grabbed the wrong ones, but get the ones that unravels themselves. But I cut mine. Get your sausage and just roll it like a pig in a blanket. That's all you're going to do. Just roll it up. Try not to get burnt. Spray your pan with some Pam as well. What they should look like. Preheat your oven to 350. We are going to bake for 10 minutes. Extremely good. All over. Stuffed enchilada shells. Delicious stuffed enchilada shells. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Chiquito, get you some jumbo shells. Get you some tap water, and we're gonna boil these. We're gonna undercook them. Woo! Ground up your ground beef. Get you some chili powder. Ground cumin. Oregano. Basil. Put your diced onion after you drain your meat. Put your diced tomatoes in there. Do 4 ounces of cream cheese. Add in here. Undercooked noodles. I drain them. They're undercooked so you can mess with them. Because if you cook them all the way and then you're going to cook them in the oven again, they're going to be messy. A soggy mess. I'm talking about soggy mess. Then get you some kind of dish and start lining it up. It look like a red enchilada sauce. Pour that over the top of here. No. Then get you some aluminum foil. Preheat your oven to 375. We're going to cook for 25 minutes. Get you some fresh grated sharp cheddar. Put on the top of these bad boys. Going to put this back into the oven for 5 minutes or until all the cheese is good and melted. Delicious donut hose. So easy and simple. Get you a can of biscuits. Cut them suckers up. Dice them however way you prefer. Get you some vegetable oil and get it nice and hot. And then just drop them bad boys right down in there. And then just mix them around so they can get evenly cooked. And then get you a rack so you can drain the grease off of them. And then get you some powdered sugar and some milk. Just a little tiny milk. That's all you will need is like a tiny drop of milk. And then drizzle that bad boy right over top of them little donut hose. That is it. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way.